Welcome to the world of investing, where every small step counts. With the rise of micro-investing apps and commission-free trading platforms, it's now possible to start investing with just $100. Think of investing like a savings account on steroids. You're not just earning a few percentage points in interest, you're growing your money over time through compound interest. For example, let's say you invest $100 in a high-yield savings account earning 5% interest. After 1 year, you'll have around $105. Not bad, but that's not what we're aiming for. We want to talk about investing in the stock market, where the potential for growth is much higher. But before we dive in, let's clarify what we mean by the stock market. It's simply a platform where you can buy small pieces of companies like Apple, Amazon, or Google. When you invest in these companies, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of their future success. Now, let's talk about the minimum investment required to get started. Many brokerages and robo-advisors have eliminated